Hi, my name is Lito. The topic of our video: eye colors for parent makeup lips. iCOLOR pigments made in Europe. iColors has many beautiful colors for PMU lips. Order products on marylito.com. iCOLOR pigment Nude Pink. Nude Pink. Natural warm pink beige shade of medium saturation. The color of rosewood. A must-have color. A base for mixes. iCOLOR pigment Iconic Nude. The color for every day. Darker and more intense than nude pink. A basic beige red, rich shade suitable for all lip tones. iCOLOR pigment Berry. A pink shade with a little red undertone. The pigment is medium saturation. Suitable for warm and natural lips. iCOLOR pigment Rose. A cool pink pigment looks like the color of a dusty rose. Ideal for warm skin on the lips and for mixing with other colors. iCOLOR pigment Watermelon. Juicy pink-red color, a medium saturated shade, the most popular color in the line. iCOLOR pigment Antique Red. A rich red-brown pigment, suitable for aged women. iCOLOR pigment Lip Kiss. Intense warm red color, suitable for working with cold lips. Universal warm color. iCOLOR pigment Corallien. Warm, saturated and intensity color of live coral, suitable for color correction of the lips. iCOLOR pigment Raspberry. Bright and cool color of raspberry. One of the famous pigments. Gives a good saturation in mixes. The lovely mix is Iconic Nude plus Raspberry. iCOLOR pigment Burgundy. Deep color of cherry. Will give an expensive look to warm or natural lips. Especially suitable for brunettes. iCOLOR pigment Peach. Corrector of blue lips tone and dark brown lips. Can be used as a base for cover-up. Buy the products on marylito.com. If you would like to learn more about parent makeup, please sign up on my online courses. Thanks for watching, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!